Creating an Airtable account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Here's how. Visit the Airtable website. Go to the Airtable website at airtable.com. Click on Sign Up. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button located in the upper right corner of the page. Choose Sign Up method. You can sign up using one of the following methods. Email. Enter your email address, create a password and click Sign Up. Google. If you prefer, you can use your Google account to sign up by selecting the Sign Up with Google option. Apple. If you're on an Apple device, you can choose Sign Up with Apple for a streamlined process. Verify your email. If you use an email to sign up, Airtable will send you a verification email. Open it and click the verification link to complete the registration process. Set up your workspace. After signing up and logging in, you'll be prompted to create a workspace. Workspaces are containers for your bases. You can create a new workspace or join an existing one. Start using Airtable. Once your workspace is set up, you can start creating your first base and organizing your projects or data.